Hello to everyone out there. My name is Mu'min Jafar, the Director of ICT Department at Nile University of Science and Technology. Nile University being a well-known university with international standards and having a reputation in bringing out students with practical and tactical ways of solving problems using the application of technology. Right now, Nile University has brought for you a chance of doing a course in diploma in IT and a short course in computer applications. For all those who didn't know how to use a computer, Nile University has brought for you a solution for this. People who are nurses, directors in different offices, engineers in different companies, you are welcome to enroll yourself into this class. We are going to be teaching a diploma course in IT that will take only 6 months, and then a short course of computer applications that will only take 2 months. With computer applications, here we are going to teach you the suite of Microsoft Office, that is to say, that is Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Publish, and Access, and to mention but a few. Then we also have the full-time section and the part-time section. The full-time section will run from Saturdays up to Tuesdays. Then the part-time section will be taking, that is Thursday and Fridays. So we welcome everybody, the students, the engineers, workers, government workers, and everywhere. Please come and enroll yourself, get to know much about the computer, the basics of the computer that will be helping you in this world that everything is digitalized.